What's up YouTubers, Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily clean the chain on your bicycle, get rid of all that rust and make it really shine. If you guys are new to my channel, do me a favor, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, so I just went ahead and removed the bike chain. All you're going to need is a bike chain removal tool or a piece of string or a flathead screwdriver if you have like a master link on it. But before that, you can go ahead and measure the chain to make sure that the chain's not completely worn out, because if it's completely worn out, you get a new chain for around 10 bucks or so. So what you do is you just measure from the center of one pin of the link, one of these pins right here, and you're going to measure 12 inches. And that 12 inches should line up with the center of a pin, I believe it's 24 over. If it's off by more than 1/16 of an inch, the chain is just stretched and worn out. Just go ahead and replace it. This chain was just on a bike that was left out in the weather for about a month, so most of it's just surface rust, I'd say. I measured it and it's still good to go. So just go ahead and get yourself a plastic container. I went ahead and put a little dish soap in the bottom, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to get plain old white vinegar, and actually let's go ahead and feed the chain in first. Alright, then we'll pour some white vinegar in there. This is going to remove all the rust. Just pour a little in there. We'll pour just enough to cover the chain in there. Then let's go ahead and just shake it up. Okay, now let's just go ahead and let this sit overnight and we'll come back tomorrow. Alright guys, well I kind of forgot about it and it's been a few days. Look at this bottle, it's all swollen from the pressure, but looks like most of the rust came off. I gave it a couple shakes over the last couple days. Let's go ahead and open it up. Hopefully it doesn't explode. Let's see, look how black and murky the water is. Looks like we got all the rust off though. Go ahead and put some water in there. Boy, that is really mucky. Let's just do that a couple times till we get it nice and clean. Alright, well it took like 10 times of rinsing it out to get it finally clean. There we go. Then we're just going to want to dry it out. If you can, just leave it out in the sun or hang it up and let it drip dry. Get it all nice and dry before we oil up. Okay, I've gotten it pretty much all dry, and if we look at it, there's almost no rust left. There's a couple little pieces of rust, but I've done this with other bike chains before that were in good condition, just with a little surface rust. And that vinegar really just takes all the dirt and grime off and all that rust. Now let's put our chain back on. We're gonna feed it through the front derailleur and through the back. Goes over the top, first gear in the back. Now since this one doesn't have a master pin, we'll just reconnect it using our chain breaker tool. We'll just tighten it down. We'll just push that pin back in. We're just gonna drive it back in till it's just a little proud of the surface. Just like the other links. And we can remove our wire that's holding the chain together. Okay, now once we have the chain back on, it's a good idea to go ahead and lube up your chain. You just lube the inside of the chain. You don't have to worry about lubing the outside. Alright guys, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe and click the notification bell so you can get all my new videos. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself, guys. Take care.